Bias and discrimination in tech algorithms, including those used in facial recognition technology and hiring processes, have become a significant concern in recent years. Algorithms are designed to make decisions or predictions based on patterns in data, but if the data used to train these algorithms is biased, it can result in biased outcomes, perpetuating discrimination and inequality in various domains, including employment, law enforcement, and other areas. 1. Facial recognition technology. Facial recognition technology uses algorithms to identify and authenticate individuals based on their facial features. However, research has shown that facial recognition algorithms can exhibit bias, especially against individuals from underrepresented racial and ethnic groups. This bias can lead to misidentifications, false positives, and false negatives, disproportionately affecting certain groups and leading to potential violations of civil rights and privacy concerns. 2. Hiring and employment. Some companies use algorithms and automated systems to screen and select job applicants. However, these algorithms may inadvertently incorporate biased criteria, such as gender, race, or age, leading to discriminatory hiring practices. For example, biased language used in job descriptions or biased patterns in historical hiring data can perpetuate discrimination and limit opportunities for underrepresented groups. 3. Ad targeting. Algorithms used in online advertising can exhibit bias by showing ads to certain groups of people based on characteristics such as age, gender, or race. This can result in discriminatory practices, such as showing job ads only to certain demographics, which may perpetuate existing inequalities in the job market. 4. Criminal justice and law enforcement. Algorithms used in criminal justice and law enforcement, such as predictive policing algorithms, can also exhibit bias. These algorithms may be trained on biased data, leading to unfair and discriminatory outcomes, such as targeting certain communities more heavily or perpetuating existing biases in the criminal justice system. Addressing bias and discrimination in tech algorithms is crucial to ensure fairness, equity, and accountability in various domains. Here are some potential approaches to mitigate bias and discrimination in tech algorithms. 1. Diverse and representative data. Ensuring that the data used to train algorithms is diverse and representative of the population to avoid biased patterns. This can involve collecting data from a wide range of sources and taking steps to minimize any existing biases in the data. 2. Ethical and transparent algorithm design. Ensuring that algorithms are designed with ethical considerations and transparency in mind. This includes thoroughly assessing algorithms for potential biases, making algorithmic decisions explainable and interpretable, and providing transparency about how algorithms are designed, tested, and validated. 3. Regular auditing and monitoring. Conducting regular audits and monitoring of algorithms to detect and mitigate any bias or discrimination that may emerge over time. This can involve ongoing evaluation of algorithmic outcomes and making necessary adjustments to minimize bias. 4. Human oversight and intervention. Incorporating human oversight and intervention in algorithmic decision-making processes to ensure that human judgment is involved in critical decisions. This can include having diverse human input in decision-making, and allowing for human intervention in cases where biases or discriminatory outcomes are identified. 5. Ethical guidelines and standards. Establishing ethical guidelines and standards for the development and use of algorithms, including addressing issues related to bias and discrimination. This can involve industry-wide efforts to develop and implement ethical guidelines, standards, and best practices for algorithmic development and deployment. 6. User feedback and accountability. Encouraging user feedback and holding developers and users of algorithms accountable for any biased outcomes or discriminatory practices. This can involve creating channels for users to report concerns, conducting audits, and taking corrective actions when biases are identified. Addressing bias and discrimination in tech algorithms requires a multifaceted approach that includes diverse data, ethical algorithm design, regular monitoring, human oversight, ethical guidelines, and user feedback. It is important to recognize the potential impact of biased algorithms on marginalized communities and work towards creating fair, transparent, and accountable solution. This is all for the video. This video is made possible by Pictory. If you like to use Pictory to create your videos, enter the promo code J56 at checkout to get 20% off your subscription until you cancel. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.